Here we go, the blizzard of 2013. We are bundled up. Let's see what's out there. Holy smokes, Lucy and Linus are going to get lost. Let's see how we... This is too funny. They made a nice path here where I live. That was nice that they shoveled. It's pretty tall. It's so quiet out here. Liz, can you try to go pee-pee? I don't know where, baby girl. Oh look, they made such nice paths here. But at least you can see how high the snow is. There's the street, main street. There's some people out. I don't know where Lucy's gonna go to the bathroom. She doesn't go to the bathroom on concrete. At least Linus can lift his leg. Look at her being adventurous! Go girl! Go ahead, go potty, sweet pea. She can't even walk. This is so mean. Oh, she just fell. It's okay, good girl. Go ahead, go potty. She won't go. Oh no, this is gonna be awful. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down. I think this is when you don't make fun of your dogs. I'm sweating. I'm so bundled up. I swear, I'm schwitzing like I have on like long johns, sweatpants, a long sleeve shirt, a fleece, a sweater, a jacket. Good girl, sorry. Boots, snow pants, a long coat. Good girl, Luce. There's Linus barking at the person across the street. Good girl, Lucy. Alright, I gotta stop here. I don't know where Alright, do you like the snow? No? Do you? Linus, do you like the snow? You look cute in your jackets. Yeah. Alright, let's go try to